Welcome to our channel. Up to now we have discussed unary operator overloading. As operator function is defined as a member function, at the same time the function is defined as a friend function. Now come to binary operator overloading. For example, here we are considering binary addition, that is the plus symbol. Remember, either a plus, minus, multiplication, division, all binary operators works in the same fashion. The only difference is the corresponding operation. That is, plus is used to perform addition, minus is used to perform subtraction, and so on. Okay. In the first example, we discussed this binary operator as a member function. Binary operator overloading as operator function is defined as a member function. Okay, and before going to that one, what is the syntax? That is, before implementing the example, remember one point. If you are implementing the binary and it is a member function, how many number of arguments the operator function will take? The operator function will take one argument. Remember this point. The operator function takes one argument if you are implementing the member and binary. Suppose the binary and friend, it takes two arguments. Now, first of all, what is this operator overloading? Is generally, that is a binary plus, is applied to arithmetic types. Now it is overloaded. To apply to objects. Overload means applied to objects, even though the objects itself contains arithmetic types. Apply to objects that contains the arithmetic types. Okay. Now we will discuss an example program how to implement this binary operator. So consider the same previous example. Class sample, take one variable int value, and in the public section void read the value, seen, and by using display function display the value, cout value. Now I am using two functions, read and display. The read function reads the value, display function display the value. Now perform operator overloading. On binary operator. What is the syntax? Return type. The function has to return some value. Why? After performing addition of two numbers, it has to return some value. If you are performing addition of an integers, which type is written? The return type is an integer. Perform addition of two floats, the return type is float. If you perform addition of two objects, overloading means apply addition on objects. If you perform addition of two objects, the return type is also an object. We are returning an object. So object is which data type? Suppose 2 plus 3, I am returning value 5. 5 is an integer type. 2.0 plus 3.0, 5.0 is an integer type. Suppose object 1 plus object 2, it is an object. Object is of type class. So what is the return type? The return type is class. Okay, remember this point. Sample, and the operator, the symbol is plus, and it is a member function. How many number of arguments it takes? It takes one argument. Obviously the arguments are of type objects. So sample sum s2. So here the name is completely your wish. Suppose simply use s. Sample s. Okay. Here why you are using sample? The return type is an object. This operator is the keyword. We already discussed all the meanings. Operator is the keyword. Plus is the operator symbol on which we are performing operation. This is an argument of object. Okay. Now we have to return some value after performing addition. We have to return some value. The value is of type object. So inside this function, I am creating an object sample some S3. Sample some S3. So the procedure is S3 dot value. That means the resultant value. I have to return S3. S3 dot value is equal to value plus S dot value. This is the answer. We have to return S3. You got it? Observe carefully. This value is automatically this value, and S dot value I am passing this S. This value is this one, and the result is stored here. So for understanding this one, I will write the main. Then it is very easy to understand. So int main first sample S1. Create an object sample S1. Another object sample S2. Here I am creating two objects S1 and S2. S1 dot read, S2 dot read. I call S1 dot read and S2 dot read, and then I am using, suppose I am creating one more object S3. I am creating one more object S3. S3 is equal to S1 plus S2. Observe. Here the addition symbol is performed between the objects. The addition is performed between the objects. Now that means the overloading is performed. Why? The overloading is the symbol is used between user defined data types. S3 is equal to S1 plus S2. Now call S3 dot display. Okay, the main function is closed. Now observe carefully. First S1 dot read. Suppose I am reading a value 2 for object S1. I read a value 3 for object S2, and 2 plus 3 5. Here you have to know one point. What is that one? What happens if you write like this? Similar to unary operators, we are writing, suppose in unary minus I am writing minus S. What happens in case of friend function? What happens in case of member function? So S3 is equal to S1 plus S2. If you write like this, the system calls as, even though you are writing like this, the system calls like this: S1 dot operator plus of S2. S3 is equal to S1 dot operator plus of S2. That means this value is directly called for the object S1. This value is directly called for the value S1, and I am passing S2. What is the S2 value? S2 value is 3. 3 is passed. Again I will explain. What is the value of S1? For object 1 it is 2. For S2 value is 3. Simply here the answer is 2 plus 3. Even though 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 both are same, but in case of minus 2 minus 3 and 3 minus 2 are completely different. So that is the case. Observe carefully. If you are writing the statement like this, the system calls as S1. This S1 value is passed into this one, and this S2 value is passed as an argument, and this argument is passed to this one. So 2 plus 3 addition is performed and return an object. If it is an object, that is catched by class only. The return is an object. What is the type? The type is the class only. This is operator overloading for binary operator. whatever it, suppose if you are using minus, use minus, multiplication, you have to remember only this point. So what is the main important point? The main important point is, suppose if you write like this, object 3 is equal to object 1 plus object 2. If you write a statement, then how the system calls? The system calls like this, object 3 is equal to object 1 plus, dot operator plus of object 2. If you are writing the statement, the system calls like this. Once you know this one, then it is very easy. This is binary operator as a member function. In the next session, we will move to binary operator as a friend function.